हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का आपके अपने चैनल सारास ट्यूटोरियल पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज मैं क्लास 10 के बच्चों के लिए ज्योग्राफी सोशल साइंस का ज्योग्राफी का पहला लेसन इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी का क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेकर के आई हूँ। इस लेसन का डिमांड किया था एक स्टूडेंट ने, सो उसी के डिमांड पे ये चैप्टर लेकर के आई हूँ। आई होप ये आप लोगों को हेल्प करेगा। और साथ ही मैं आप लोगों को बता दूँ, ML हिंदी का क्वेश्चंस आंसर एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो ऑलरेडी चैनल पे अपलोडेड है। सो प्लीज़ आप लोग उन वीडियोस को देखिए, और जो भी कुछ हेल्प चाहिए या कुछ भी डाउट है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए, ठीक है। तो चलिए देखते हैं इस चैप्टर को। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी एंड व्हाट इज़ इट्स मेन सब्जेक्ट मैटर, मेंशन द इम्पॉर्टेंट ब्रांचेस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी। ओके, so first of all, economic geography is the branch of geography which studies human activities related to production, distribution, consumption, and exchange of resource with respect of spatial and temporal aspect. Okay, then next one, production of resource, distribution of resources, consumption of resources, exchanges of resources. None of these economic activities of man can take place without resources. ठीक है, then therefore the availability of resources, their development and utilization is this principal subject matter of economic geography. Okay, the main branches of economic geography are agriculture geography, industrial geography, geography of resources, then transport geography, marketing geography, geography of planning and development, geography of tourism. Okay, so these are the main branches of economic geography. Okay, next come to the question number 2, which is write in brief about the scope of economic geography. Okay, George George Chisholm, the father of modern economic geography, has defined that the main scope and objectives of economic geography is to determine the economic development trend and directions of a place. Okay, while economic geographers C.F. Jones and G.G. Darkenwald have said that the subject is about men's productive occupations or activities and deals with the finding out of answers to why certain religions are more advanced in production and export while other in import and trade. Thus it can said that the study of economic geography deals with the relationship between men's productive activities and environmental conditions. Okay, the scope of economic geography can be defined to lie in the following 5 questions under 2 broad divisions. First, traditional economic geography. First question is, where is the economic activity located? Other is, what are the characteristics of the economic activity? Then next one, to what other phenomena is the economic activities related? Okay, next one, second point, modern economic geography. Why is the economic activity located where it is? Then would it not be better located elsewhere? Then the economic activities of man that comes under the scope of study of economic geography can be classified into four types. First is primary occupations, those activities by which man collects natural resources. Secondary occupation, those activities by which man transform natural commodities into usable forms. Okay, then come to question number 3. What do you mean by economic activities of man? What are such economic activities? Then economic activities or occupations of man, the various activities that man perform to earn his living, to sustain his life on earth. The various economic activities or occupations of man are, first, primary activities, activities by which people collect necessary items such as food, clothing, etc. from the natural environment and use them directly are known as primary activities. Example, agriculture, collecting of food from forests, mining, fishing, etc. Okay, next one, secondary activities, activities by which people use raw materials supplied by primary activities to transform them into usable from with the aid to technology are known as primary activities. सॉरी यहाँ पे सेकेंडरी होगा, ठीक है। सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज़ एग्जाम्पल ट्रेड, कॉमर्स, बिजनेस, इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन एक्सेट्रा। देन टेरिटरी एक्टिविटीज़, एक्टिविटीज़ बाय विच पीपल सप्लाई प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी टू द यूजर and connect producer and consumer are known as territory activities. Example transport, communication, VITs, wholesale or retail selling, tourism activities etc. Then quaternary activities, activities which some degree of skill, intelligence, foresight, expertise etc. are known as quaternary activities. Example banking and financial services, publicity, media, administration, education and research etc. Okay, then come to question number 4. Write briefly about the subject matter of the important branches of economic geography. The subject matter of the important branches of economic geography are agriculture geography. Agriculture geography mainly studies factors associated with agriculture activity, crop production and its associated theory, marketing, export and import of industrial goods etc. Okay, industrial geography studied factors associated with establishment of industry, type of industry, geographical distribution of industries, production of industrial goods, localization of industries, marketing, export, import of industrial goods etc. Then geography of resources. Geography of resources studies type, resources, religion and distribution of resources, exploration and production of resources, relationship between resources and development, conservation and management of resources. आप लोग क्या कीजिएगा, स्क्रीनशॉट कर लीजिएगा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स का, so that you can write the answers properly. Okay, then next one, transport geography. Transport geography primarily includes factors associated with the types of transport system, role of transport on resources distribution, movements and economic activities of main economic development like industrial development, agricultural development etc. Then geography of marketing. Geography of marketing covers factors associated with possibilities, markets, types of distribution of markets and related theories etc. Then geography of planning and development. Geography of planning and development studies factor related to economic development, planning strategies, sustainable development, regional and resources based development processes etc. Then geography of tourism. Geography of tourism deals with factors related to tourism and types of tourism, development of planning processes, tourism system etc. Okay, so इस वीडियो में मैं ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड नहीं करूँगी, ओनली 4 क्वेश्चन ही दी हूँ। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग आगे के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। सो ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आप लोगों को कैसे लगे प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिएगा और प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लीजिए। तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर।